been 2 minutes.
Is this thing on?
So where we going? What are we doing?
I don't think you're supposed to show them.
What's the plan?
We're in Lisbon. What's the plan? Well, there's no plan as per usual.
There's
We're
no
just
agenda.
walking around today. And no, there is a plan. Finding a beach towel, not being hit by a car.
Yeah, that's...
And sunscreen, because I'm white as hell and I'm gonna burn otherwise. Tomorrow, beach day.
Beach day.
Tonight, we need to go grocery shopping as well, because we're gonna make like a nice dinner tonight with like local produce, and then go for a drink.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So yeah, we'll keep us updated what's gonna go down. And yeah, but the first thing we need to do is find a beach towel, and then we can move on to the next thing then. Sound good? So what are you doing? Tell the people.
Trying the pastéis de nata. I don't know if that's how you say it, but that's how I say it.
We didn't get one because I'm still digesting the whale that I consumed earlier on. What's the verdict?
That's greasy as hell, but that's good.
Grease is good though, then you know it's good when it's greasy. Decent?
That's really good.
Let's walk so. Usually I would get that, what's it called, pasta di nata?
Pastéis de nata, I think.
Oh, yeah. I probably would get that, but I'm still digesting food, so maybe later on. Much very loud. The audio is
very
gonna
loud.
be a bit shit. So where are we going to?
To the beach. Don't ask me for the name of the beach, I can't remember it. But we're in the tram 28, and we'll make a video of it after. But they're very old and authentic looking.
Just matches
and loud.
those like.
But yeah, we're going to the beach today. It's not the best day. It's a bit cloudy.
Because we didn't get a beach towel yesterday, we decided to get a beach towel at the beach, which is probably the most sensible option to do. So we're gonna get food as well when we get to the beach.
Yeah, lunch.
Just because we kind of like food, if you can't tell already. So we're at, I can't, what's the name of the beach that we're on?
Praia de Santo Amaro de Oreiras. It's a long name.
That's
Santo Amaro, I think.
That's exactly it. So we got to the beach eventually. We got charged a mortgage for a fucking towel. I wouldn't even call it a towel. It's like a fucking, I don't know what it is.
It's like a
Something to lie
fabric.
on. Something to lie on anyway, so we needed something to lie on.
Because we're so unorganized and we forgot to bring our own beach towels, and we didn't buy any in town.
Yeah,
We were
like,
expecting like beach shops and stuff around.
yeah, like we're half unorganized, and then on the other half it's like Lisbon has no shops at all for like just basic shit.
Yeah,
So Lisbon needs to get more shops around here instead of restaurants. But
yeah. Well, I don't complain about the restaurant, but like yesterday we literally had to go on a whole hike to go in a sketchy, small, tiny grocery place.
yeah, we literally walked around the whole of Lisbon looking for this
Where
supermarket.
literally the tomatoes were on the ground,
with bugs on it and all, so like it wasn't ideal. They definitely need more proper grocery store.
That's why we didn't vlog yesterday. So we got food. We eventually found a supermarket. We got food. We went home, made food in the apartments, and then went out for a drink then. And then went home.
Yeah, just to drink outside the apartment.
Exactly.
Tonight we're gonna go for a proper dinner in town.
The plan now is to chill out, catch up on the tan, and then that's it.
Much needed.
Yeah, I don't really need it. I've done sunbeds before I came here, so.
Yeah, you do sunbeds, you cheat, so.
What was that? It's being brave for the camera now.
No, I made the decision, okay?
That's crazy. As soon as I turned the camera on, all of a sudden now you want to dive into the water. Whereas 2 minutes ago you were afraid to dive in. What's all that about? So, since the last time we checked in, we've eaten food once again. The last time you seen us, we were eating food, and now we're eating food again. This is just a food holiday. Oh yeah, shit, we were at the beach actually. But we got food before the beach, and then we went to the beach. And then we went home.
Yeah, but it was like a decent amount of time within the day to get food.
Yeah, I suppose. All that while we were still digesting at least 2,000 calories worth of McDonald's for the whole day. So, but now we're at a place called, what's it called again? Terrace, I think, is it? I think I seen on the menu it's called Terrace. It's in like the city centre of Lisbon. And the food is good. You would have seen a clip before this of the steak that we got. And the drinks are pretty good too.
Wait.
Is eating a
Finish my drink.
fruit cocktail.
Finish my plate as well.
I got a whiskey sour. And that's what's left. What do you think of the steak?
The steak was good. The croquettes were good as well.
Yeah, the croquettes were good.
And the fries were okay.
Yeah, way nicer than the ones in Time Out Market. The croquettes here were nicer than the ones in Time Out
Yeah,
Market.
definitely.
So, it's the next day.
You need to do that
We are
now.
on the way to get breakfast, of course I do. It's called Deer Breakfast. We came across it the other day when we were walking around the whole of Lisbon looking for a supermarket, and it looked decent, so that's where we're going for breakfast this morning. And then yeah, we're going to the aquarium then after that, so we'll let you know what's up in a bit.
Have the tickets for both.
A little
hi.
update for the vlog. So we went for breakfast. We didn't actually go
We didn't go where
Yeah,
we were
supposed
planning.
to go.
I can't see. Where we were supposed to go, because as per usual we didn't book. And so there was like a long queue, so we said no. But it was good because we ended up in a place that was like actually real good.
I actually recorded a clip of the food that we got, so they'll see a clip before.
And
This.
now we're stop here so they can see the whole the view.
The view. So we're at the aquarium that we're gonna go into now in a minute. There it is over there. Mush in the background.
Pretty cool. And then we're gonna go on there.
Where?
I want to do this.
Oh, that.
The beans.
You just like they'll look like UFOs in the fucking sky.
Wait.
I'm saying mush though. We found jellyfish. We're having them for dinner later.
You've ever been in
So we're at Belém Tower.
After a few adventures.
After a few adventures of getting a taxi ride for only €8, which
For
was
like
great.
half an hour.
Yeah, you'd pay at least triple that in Dublin.
Because there's no, I don't know what's going on in town, but like the roads are closed, and so we couldn't get the bus, couldn't find the bus stop where the bus was, so we just ended up calling an Uber, and we drove for like half an hour, and it only cost us €8, which I feel really bad about, so I tipped the driver.
Did you actually?
Yeah, I did.
How much?
By €5.
Did you actually?
Yeah.
That's
I felt bad for paying €8 for half an hour, so put €5 more. Like
That's like
not much, but like it's almost double the price of
double his
the.
week's wages. That is.
It's crazy.
But yeah, the queue was mental to go into Belém Tower, which I was expecting, but
But I don't think we really wanted to go in. Like it was more coming here and seeing the spot, which is very like from the outside, it's very beautiful.
yeah, it is nice. So we're just gonna sit here.
Enjoy coffee,
That's hotter than the
Coffee.
fucking sun.
which is
Literally
way too hot. but
piping hot.
still.
But
I already have a burned palate, so I'm not gonna try and burn myself.
you're gonna have a second born pallet now in a second. Yeah, we're gonna chill for a bit, maybe get some food, and then just take in the sights. Just be the tourists that we are.
Yeah.
So this is where you walk in. Just be careful. Just be careful. Just be aware that the place is very small. It was made for midgets, so I've hit my head numerous amount of times off them ceilings. So we walk in then into the living room. So we have the couch, the table, obviously, and then we have this little room in here. So whoever like loses the argument has to go in there. This is the naughty corner. So let's walk back out. Don't show them the balcony yet, so walk back in this way. So you walk back in, kitchen, microwave, fridge, everything you need. And coffee too, that's the most important. And then walk into the bathroom. This is just the standard bathroom. You can look at the bathroom if you want to.
Hi.
This is where. Okay. So this is the bedroom. Pretty spacious, loads of room for activities. You have the wardrobe, everything you need. Nice quote on the wall too that we kind of live by every day in Portugal. What to say again? Laugh often, plant more flowers. We're still trying to plant more flowers while we're over here, but we'll get there one day. Fall in love, listen to the rain, live your dreams, say I love you, be grateful. Let's walk back out to the main event. As you walk back out into the living room, we have a sick balcony in which I have coffee every morning. And then a nice little view of the town that we're staying in, which is sick.
Even allowed to update the vlog.
Okay, so we have to update the vlog again now since someone isn't too happy about me updating it on my own. So do you want to go ahead and update them?
So yesterday we went for breakfast, then we just walked around, did a bit of shopping, like souvenir shopping and stuff like that. And then we went to get tattoos.
Leia got my name on her arm.
Yeah, no, I didn't. Got a tram on my ankle. And today we got up, went for breakfast again. And like we usually don't have lunch, we just have a big like breakfast. So we went for brunch / breakfast, and now Adam is eating again because he can't ever stop eating.
I'm fat.
He's eating a fat ass donut that's bigger than my head. Yeah,
That
there
is
it
the
is.
shit. If you're in
And
Lisbon, go to Time Out Market and get the what's the name of the place?
It's the
Crushed Donuts.
crushed donuts. Yeah.
Go to that stall in Time Out Market, get a vanilla glazed donut, and then you can thank me later. What the fuck, I thought that was a fly.
And we're having iced coffee and iced tea for me.
Decent. So
Oh, and we're going on a cruise later.
yeah, we'll definitely video some of that.
Yep.
So we'll check in a while. So sick, isn't it? You need to squeeze it. I have it in my finger. Savage. Little update for the vlog. We are chilling on some bench beside the water. My little mush is a bit sick. Someone drank too much wine last night and was getting sick during the night, which wasn't ideal, but we got some food into her and she has medication now, so hopefully she's gonna be okay and she doesn't shit herself on the plane.
Can you not say that?
I'm joking. Alright. So I'm getting attacked by a fly. The cruise was sick yesterday anyway. I thought it was. Today's the last day. So we're a bit sad that it's the last day. And we have to go back to Dublin. Where the weather is shit. So we're just enjoying our last day. We don't have anything planned, we're just going around chilling. Maybe looking some shops. But generally just take it easy. Because we have to go back. Our flight is at 8 o'clock, so we kind of have the whole day to just chill. And then we can go get our flight. But that's it. We'll probably check back in a while. If we do something. If we feel it, probably.
Yeah, they've ordered, but they're queuing, so like